Have you ever asked yourself, just what is the secret of cuteness? Well, when it comes to needle-felted newborn kitties, I've got the exact answer for you. Hi, my name is Anna, and I'm the artist behind Anami Arts, and I'm here to teach you how you can create finest wool sculptures, like these newborn kitties here. I have prepared for you easy-to-follow instructions, reference photos, whiteboard sketches and explanations that will enable you to understand everything from creating the head, building up dimension in the face, knowing where to place the eyes, the ears, to creating the body, the legs, and the paws, and even how to correct a mistake. So after watching this course, you will know everything you need to know to exactly recreate this cute newborn kitty here. And for our special class, I have prepared something which I'm sure you would love to recreate on a kitty. A blep, that sweet pink tongue which sometimes sticks out of their mouth. Be sure to reserve your spot right now for this free live online course at 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐿 and bring all those burning questions with you. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.